In this video, you'll learn how to integrate ClickUp with Google Drive so you can easily attach and manage your files right inside your workspace. We'll walk through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll have your Google Drive connected and ready to use in ClickUp. To get started, make sure you're already logged into your ClickUp account in your browser. It also helps to be logged into the Google account you want to connect in a separate tab. This will make the connection process smoother and help you avoid any login interruptions while you're setting things up. Inside ClickUp, look over to the left-hand side of your screen where your global navigation bar lives. This is the vertical bar that usually holds things like home, notifications, and other key areas of the platform. What you're looking for is the App Center icon. It's not labeled with text, so you'll recognize it by its appearance. It looks like a small grid of squares, similar to an app launcher button you might see in other tools. Go ahead and click that App Center grid icon. When you do, ClickUp will open a new panel or page that lists different apps and integrations you can connect to your workspace. This is where ClickUp centralizes all the external tools it can talk to, and Google Drive is one of the most popular ones. Once the App Center is open, look for a search bar, usually at the top of the window. Click into that search field and type Google Drive. As you start typing, you should see Google Drive appear in the results below. If there are multiple options, make sure you choose the one simply labeled Google Drive with the familiar triangular Google Drive logo beside it. Click on the Google Drive option in the search results to open its integration page. Here you'll typically see a brief description of what the integration does along with any relevant notes or permissions it needs. This page is essentially a quick overview, but you don't need to change anything here. What you want to find is the Connect button. Now, click Connect. At this point, ClickUp will reach out to Google and ask for permission to access your drive. You'll either see a pop-up window or you may be redirected to a Google sign-in screen, depending on your browser settings. If you're already signed into the correct Google account, you'll likely be taken straight to a permissions page. If not, choose the Google account you want to connect or sign in with your email and password. On the permissions screen, Google will show you exactly what ClickUp is asking to do with your drive. Typically, this includes viewing and managing files that you choose to attach from Drive into ClickUp. Take a moment to read through these permissions so you're comfortable with what you're allowing. When you're ready, confirm the connection by clicking the Allow button. After you grant permission, you'll be taken back to ClickUp and the Google Drive integration should now show as connected. From here on, you'll be able to attach Google Drive files directly to your tasks, search your drive from within ClickUp, and keep everything organized without constantly switching tabs. That's all there is to it. You've successfully integrated ClickUp with Google Drive using the App Center, the search tool, and the Connect button.